Afton Farm Kitchen, a food recipe and nutrition channel for viewers like you.
The day starts simple. A sunrise, a blue sea, a table full of color. This is the Mediterranean diet, more than a menu. It's a lifestyle. I'm going to show you why this way of eating has captured the world's attention and how it can change yours. First, heart health. First, heart health. Extra virgin olive oil nuts, beans, whole grains support healthy cholesterol and blood pressure. Monounsaturated fats fiber. 2 MVPs your heart loves. Second, your brain. Sardines, salmon omega-3s, leafy greens berries, olive oil antioxidants. Third, inflammation. Colorful vegetables, herbs, garlic, citrus. These foods are loaded with polyphenols that help quiet the body's chronic inflammation, one root cause behind many long-term diseases. Fourth, your gut. Lentils, chickpeas, whole wheat oats feed the good bacteria that run the show in your digestion. A happy gut means smoother digestion, better immunity, and more energy. Fifth, weight management. Plenty of plants, quality proteins, healthy fats, slow carbs. There's no extreme restriction here. It's about balance. Plenty of plants, quality proteins, healthy fats, and slow carbs. You feel full, you feel satisfied, and you stay consistent. Sixth, longevity. Communities around the Mediterranean live longer, not just because of what's on the plate, but because of how they live. They move often, eat together, and treat food as joy, not stress. So what does a day look like? Breakfast, thick yogurt with berries, a drizzle of olive oil, a sprinkle of nuts. Lunch, big salad, tomatoes, cucumbers, olives, chickpeas with whole grain bread. Dinner, grilled fish with lemon and herbs, roasted vegetables, farro, or brown rice. Dessert, sweet, ripe fruit. Here's the secret. Add, don't just avoid. Add plants in every color. Add legumes and whole grains. Add olive oil instead of butter. Add fish a couple times a week. Keep alcohol moderate and with meals. And don't forget the lifestyle. Walk after meals. Garden. Cook with people you love. Eat slowly. Share the table. Real health lives in these small daily rituals. Simple starting point. Half your plate vegetables. A quarter whole grains or legumes. A quarter lean protein, fish or beans. A spoon of olive oil and a squeeze of lemon. Herbs and spices for flavor, not just salt. Science plus soul. Evidence you can trust and a rhythm you can feel. Eat close to the earth. Move your body, share your meals, and let food be both fuel and joy. The sun sets, plates half-finished, laughter in the air. Health doesn't have to be complicated. It can be delicious, it can be shared, and it can start today with your next bite.